Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs here, and today we are doing another build from Fan Home. This is the Knight Rider issue 65, and it's the rear seat, and there's the wires being fed through to the floor pan. Well, let's just get our instructions ready. So, as you can see, we are doing the top half of our rear seat. Then we are putting our dash in. Quite a bit of work to be done there. Then feeding our wires through. So there's quite a lot to do on this one. So let's get on with it. So we'll just go like that, following this curve. That looks to be okay. So we will need DP screws. I believe there's 6 of those. So they're in place now. We need a 2 NP screws. They just go to the top. That's in place now. So we just need this part. We have our interior here. Let's just put it here for now. And we need BP screws. Let's just take 4 of these out. So 2 just here. I think that looks okay. Now we just need to line this up like the other side, just like that. Just get a screw ready. Had a bit of trouble putting that rear one, but it's looking really good now. So now let's just bring our dashboard. We have our dash that I've been working on for quite a while, quite a lot of mods. As you can see, cutouts, Mike Lane's grills, custom talking kit. We have our Mike Lane screen, MP3 player there with a button, and a different brake pedal because mine's broke. And I thought, let's put this on, it might work better, so let's wish for the best for that. We got our dashboard that we've been working on for quite a while now, and as you can see, there's cutouts. This is Mike Lane's grills. You can see it's all cut out. You can see right through that. Also mic lanes, TV monitors. I've done a KITT replacement bulking box there. Also a few changes to the panels. MP3 player with a button, switch off and on, and a switch for the brakes. Because mine's broke and I thought, let's see if that will work better, so let's hope for the best. We have our interior now. Oh. I need to, this is my voice box that makes KITT work. I just need to feed this through. Otherwise it would be quite difficult because this cable is really tight. I don't know why I made it like that. I should have made it quite long. Let's make sure everything is in place. That looks good. Okay. That's now connected. This is our brake switch. I have to try remember it's the brakes. Put that side. Try to power mod from mic lane to the last. And also this is from mic lane 2, the monitor. Let's just get this out the way, put that in last. Sorry about that, it's just better just to do a bit of wire tidying now than later. This is from my MP3 player, so we can put that in after as well. So far it's looking okay. Put these through. I could go crazy with the dash, put more mods on, but I think I called it a day there, because otherwise it starts to get overwhelming and too many mods and a lot of wires, and then it gets more difficult to screw in place. But that's the reason why I just stopped where I was. These are our switches. Our radio that needs to be connected to, there's 1 and 2, just here, you can see. So I'll do that after. And finally, the power mod from mic lane. Stick that through. And that looks to be like our cables are now through. Hopefully this goes to plan. Get all our cables not to be caught up anyway. I think that the more difficult part will be is the brake switch, which I'm hoping it just works. We're doing okay so far. Let's just see if that switch works. Oh, it does work. Well, happy. So we have a couple of BP screws to be fitted. Which I've lost my screwdriver now. Did I put that? So we have 4 BP screws, which I've already taken out. Let's try and get one in here. Not screwing that down fully at the moment. We have this side goes down. Now we have to put 3 more BP screws from under. Oh, this one, this side. Okay, that's gone down. Not too bad actually. Switch is working. Hopefully you could hear that. So that's what I'm well happy. You can see it clicking maybe. Oh, where am I? Oh, that would just go like that. And get our panel mode. We need to go that way. We have our bulkhead that just needs to be fitted like that, and with that it is BP screws, 3 of those. Oh, let's just try line this up. Yes, there we. Houston, I think we have a problem. Oh, let me see. Maybe not. I think we're just about okay. Hoping. Just about catching on that. That was a normal button. A little bit of adjustments to be done. I'll be back. I think I got it. I had to just bend this, so hopefully it won't be in the way when I put it onto the body. And that's cut a slight bit there, but I think it would hold now. Oh, I could see it's not touching anything. There's a lot of clearance now. Oh, let's see. Sorry about the fingers in the way. Okay, so that's screwed in place, and let's make sure the brake is working. Well, that looks to be okay now. Well, I could hear it clicking. Just put our pipe. I think the easiest way is saying to just feed it through that part, and then into that pig. So that's it. And I think I'm gonna do is telling us to put these tapes down, just to tape all those cables, but I will do that after because there's still quite a lot of tidying up to do. So I really hope you enjoyed that issue, and if you could do us a favor, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. That would be awesome. Thanks a lot again, and look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.